Hi, today in front of me Poco M5s and I'll show you how to check battery health with Ampere app on this device. So first let's open the Play Store application and in the search bar we should enter Ampere. And now we should get this application, that's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, click here to open the app, tap to yes I agree, click close, and on the left hand corner tap to OK. Here we can see information about our battery device health, and that is good in my case. So also we can see here more information like the battery health, capacity, voltage, temperature, model of our device and more other info. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.